What if the same institutions that print money start buying Bitcoin? Would that break Bitcoin? Or would it change the entire financial system forever? Let's explain this simply. What are central banks? Central banks are the most powerful financial institutions in the world. They control interest rates, print national currencies, manage a country's reserves. Right now, those reserves are usually cash, government bonds, gold. Bitcoin is not part of that list, yet. Central banks don't buy things for fun. They buy assets that protect value. Bitcoin has a few features that make it interesting. Fixed supply, only 21 million. Can't be printed or diluted. Works globally, 24/7. No country controls it. In a world with growing debt and money printing, Bitcoin starts to look like digital gold. If central banks begin holding Bitcoin, several things could happen. Legitimacy explodes. Bitcoin would no longer be just for retail investors. It becomes a recognized global reserve asset. Demand increases massively. Central banks manage trillions of dollars. Even small allocations could push demand much higher. Volatility could decrease over time. Long-term holders tend to stabilize markets, not trade daily. This is where opinions split. The good, more trust, more adoption, stronger price support. The concern, central banks gaining influence, fewer coins available for regular people, political pressure around regulation. But here's the key point. Even if central banks own Bitcoin, they still can't change its rules. No matter who owns Bitcoin, supply stays fixed, transactions stay transparent, no one gets special privileges. Bitcoin doesn't care who you are, central bank or private citizen, same rules for everyone. If central banks start holding Bitcoin, it doesn't mean Bitcoin becomes the system. It means the system is starting to adapt to Bitcoin. And that's a very big shift. If this helped you understand Bitcoin a little better, we break these ideas down every week here at Block and Learn. See you in the next one.